Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between cost of capital and discount rate. Both of these concepts are very important in financial management, investment decisions, and project evaluation. Even though they are related to each other, they have different meanings, purposes, and applications. So now, let us understand the major differences between cost of capital and discount rate one by one. Number 1. Cost of capital is the required return a company must earn to satisfy investors and lenders, whereas discount rate is the rate used to convert future cash flows into present value. Number 2. Cost of capital is mainly used for financing decisions and determining minimum acceptable return, whereas discount rate is mainly used for valuing projects, investments, and cash flows. Number 3. Cost of capital applies to the entire company or business, whereas discount rate applies to individual projects or specific cash flow streams. Number 4. Cost of capital is calculated using the weighted average cost of debt, equity, and preferred stock, whereas discount rate is selected according to the risk level of a project or investment. Number 5. Cost of capital consists of different financing costs such as equity and debt cost, whereas discount rate mainly considers the risk and expected return of future cash flows. Number 6. Cost of capital is directly affected by the company's capital structure, whereas discount rate is not directly dependent on overall capital structure. Number 7. Cost of capital is not generally used directly to value projects, whereas discount rate is directly used to calculate the present value of future cash flows. Number 8. Cost of capital represents the average risk of the company's operations, whereas discount rate reflects the specific risk of a project or investment being evaluated. Number 9. Cost of capital usually represents a long-term financial perspective, whereas discount rate may vary depending on the timing and duration of project cash flows. Number 10. Cost of capital is relatively stable and changes slowly over time, whereas discount rate is more flexible and may change according to market conditions and project risk. Number 11. Cost of capital helps determine the overall value and performance of the firm, whereas discount rate helps determine the value of specific investments and projects. Number 12. Cost of capital is determined based on market expectations and financing mix, whereas discount rate is determined based on risk-adjusted return expectations. Number 13. Cost of capital can be represented by a company's WACC, such as 10%, whereas discount rate may differ for each project, such as 13% for a higher-risk investment. Number 14. Cost of capital considers tax benefits such as tax shield on debt financing, whereas discount rate considers tax impact only when it affects project cash flows. Number 15. Cost of capital is mainly used for strategic financial decisions like capital structure and mergers, whereas discount rate is mainly used for project appraisal, budgeting, and investment evaluation. So, these were the important differences between cost of capital and discount rate. Understanding these concepts can help students, investors, and business managers make better financing and investment decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.